Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the success of the world's top traders? Today, we delve into the minds of these financial maestros, exploring their strategies, their thought processes, and their keys to success. Picture a hypothetical conversation with one such trader, a self-made millionaire we'll call John. He would tell you that patience is his first rule of thumb. In the high-stakes, adrenaline-fueled world of trading, it's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment. But John wouldn't let himself be swayed by the frantic pace of the trading floor. Instead, he'd bide his time, carefully studying market trends, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Moving on, imagine a dialogue with another successful trader, this time a woman who's broken through the glass ceiling of this traditionally male-dominated field. We'll call her Jane. Jane would tell you that her secret is discipline. She never allows emotions to cloud her judgment, sticking to her trading plan no matter what. She'd emphasize that even when the market seems to be against her, she stands her ground, trusting her analysis and strategy. Next, let's consider a hypothetical interaction with a third trader, a tech-savvy whiz kid who's made a fortune trading cryptocurrencies. He'd tell you that his success is all about adaptability. In the rapidly changing world of digital currencies, he's always on his toes, ready to adapt his strategies to the latest trends and developments. He'd also tell you that he never stops learning, constantly updating his knowledge and skills to stay ahead of the game. Now, imagine a conversation with a veteran trader, a man who spent decades navigating the ebbs and flows of the stock market. He'd tell you that his longevity in the field comes down to one thing: resilience. He's seen market crashes, economic recessions, and financial crises, but he's never given up. He'd stress that in trading, as in life, there will be ups and downs, but the key is to keep going and never lose faith in your abilities. So, what are the secrets of successful traders? Patience, discipline, adaptability, and resilience. These are the traits that set them apart, the qualities that allow them to thrive in the often chaotic world of trading. They wait for the right moment, stick to their plans, adapt to changing circumstances, and bounce back from setbacks. In the end, trading isn't just about numbers and charts, it's a psychological game, a test of character and will. The best traders understand this, and it's this understanding that guides their every move. So, the next time you're about to make a trade, remember these secrets. They might just be the key to your success.